Today is December 28th, 2024. I'm up here at the former Iron Gate Reservoir. That would be the newly formed Klamath River. This is where Camp Creek comes in. This would be heading up towards like the Horseshoe, and I think there's another creek that comes into this farther up above. In between rainstorms, figured I'd come out today, kind of see what everything was looking like. We're supposed to get another rainstorm tonight and into tomorrow. That's looking down towards where the Iron Gate Dam direction used to be. That would be looking up. This is kind of what the area is looking like today. I'm gonna pause and go around the tree. Camp Creek at Klamath River. Camp Creek's flowing pretty good today, which is to be expected with all the rainstorms that we've had. This is kind of what the whole area looks like. Some areas up along the top are kind of starting to get green, which we've had a lot of moisture, but we should still be in the dormant stage. It's too warm this time of year. Nothing should be growing. It's kind of what it looks like looking up Camp Creek. I'm not gonna lie, we do need the moisture. It's been a while since we've had a lot of rain, so it is much needed. But we also need the cold weather and our snowpack as well. This is what Camp Creek is looking like. I don't know if you can kind of see it there through the trees. See the shale rock over there? Lots of cars up this way today. Anyways, off to the next place.